Check out this 2008 Toyota Sienna CE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, power mirror, wheel covers, driver vanity mirror, auxiliary audio input, front side airbag, traction control, 4-wheel disc brakes, and 4th passenger door. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.